Did you know 70% of today's home buyers would sacrifice square footage for a move-in ready, updated home? Here at Major League Properties, we help sellers maximize their profits. Today, selling your home for top dollar isn't just about listing it. It's about transforming it into a buyer's dream. Time, money, and the right connections can make or break that transformation. Let me tell you about 1621 Lindendale Avenue in Fullerton. We met our client in the middle of his DIY project gone wrong. He found himself feeling stuck after running out of time and resources. We invested $492,000, setting a new record for homes sold in Fullerton over 4,000 square feet. If you're serious about selling and want to know how to achieve a similar outcome, click below to connect with us. We're here to help you capture the most equity from the sale of your home.